If by default, if this network policy does not exist, then this pod can connect to it. It can connect to both, and both, this means all pods can connect to each other. But what are you saying that there is a policy in a new cloud? Okay, so now what to check that this pod is connected to it and this. Are you able to connect with it? So in this case, if a lot of policies have been made, then the scenario question can change. So you have to check all the policies, which policy means which policy, what role is playing, and after that, which policy has to be deleted and which policy has to be modified. So this is a bit of a simple case. Maybe the policy remained in the exam. You can even delete half a policy, or you don't even need to create a policy. But now in these scenarios, we check whether it is executable. Then we come, the playground is fine. Then first of all, we will see that if the network policy is established here, then the net is left here. All are created. Maybe deny all is also created. Then what happens in the allow hole is that all things are allowed. Then we can also create a new network policy by deleting it. And as it is now, it is seeing only one policy. Okay, so there is only one policy for you right now. If you have to check how many policies there are, then you have to do it according to that. Then in this, there is only all policies. Then disable the gate to port any traffic allowed to all ports. Then everything has been allowed in this policy. If it's okay, that's it. You can also delete it, okay? Or you can give it to me. You can create a new policy and we will delete it. Okay, so this policy has been deleted. Now what policy do we have to make that, brother? These two meanings. This is the network policy to delete, way create to delete. So we have made new cloud namespace to allow only pods from the new cloud namespace to communicate with network policy in the nucleotide namespace. This is the same policy, nucleotide namespace, to communicate with pods inside nucleotide namespace to allow only pods from indicators. So ACP is from here. These pods should be allowed. These should not be. Okay, new namespace must not be able to connect to the new cloud. Okay, so you will have to create a policy. So come, let us search network policy. Your network policy will come. This value is okay. Copies it, pastes it here, and edits it. Okay, then the name that has been given in the network policy, that is no name has been given in it. So we have it apart from palm new at S. Okay, now the namespace in it is, I have a new clock in space. Okay, and what will be in it now? If you do not have to do the pod selector according to the labels in the pod selector, then the pod selector has become, and the policy type has become England. Okay, now the form block comes in England. Okay, so now in this, we have given details about what we are just talking about, namespace. No details have been given about the IP. Well, it doesn't even need a pod selector because he is saying that everything should come in the namespace. Then the name that is in it will be the name that will be in the match labels. NewCats.js will also be labeled NewCats in the namespace. He will be able to connect. Okay, so let's do namespace now. All three will come together. So look in this labels name, in labels, right? So we added labels, kubectl label namespace NewCats. It is okay to put its name, this describe. Then it also has a label with this in the label. Okay, so now these pods will be accessed specifically. Here, well, we make the policy that we have made. We apply the new test written in it. Okay, so let's test now. Okay, so to test, we go to the neo port and make a call. Okay, then 1 by which is 5, which is 6 is 5. This is what it should come. This is 6 4 ping. Not on means which is 4 should not ping it. Then we go to the Neo, app. Okay, after going to the Neo app, we will ping it. It has 1.5. Okay, ping node phone is okay. Pin takes node 6, makes the call. Sorry, the call is coming in 1.6 to 1.5. Look, it is not coming from 1.5. Okay, so the pin will probably not be in it. Okay, coming from 1.4, okay. So let's exit what is now. Now log into the cloud app instead of the new app. Log into the Minskitus app. 5 or 6 fives came yesterday. Okay. Then this is telling you that things are happening to you or not. Okay. So after the various policy, first you test and give.